try guys here. I want display what here? I want display which one? 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then 4, 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. That's all. Very simple guys, this one. All of you. The same previous one, it's also very simple one guys. Right. So same process. It represent what? I. It represent what? J. Okay. Right. So let me take the some I values guys. So whenever the first one, what's first one here? I is the 1, next I is the 2, I is 3, I is 4, I is 5, I is 5, okay. Right, that's fine guys, okay. And this is what first one represent when I value 1. Second when I value 2, 1 to 5 displaying. When I value 3, 1 to 5 displaying. When I value 4, 1 to 5 displaying. When I value 5 also 1 to 5 displaying. That's all. Right, all of you. And then what about the J here? What about the J? How many times J iterating all of you? Again 5 times, okay. So this is the J1 and this is what here J2, this is what here J3, then this is what here J4, this is what here J5 guys, okay. Same when I value 2 also, how many times J iterating again? 5 times. 5 times J iterating. 5 times J iterating guys, okay. When I value 3 also, how many times iterating? 5 times. When I value 4 also, how many times iterating again here? 5 times. All of you, 5 times here. And when I value 5 also, how many times iterating? 5 times guys, that's all. But displaying is what? Displaying always 1 to 5, 1 to 5, 1 to 5 guys. Now all of you observe, when I value is 1, then J, how many times iterating? Tell me now. J, how many times? All of you, J, how many times here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same, right? This is same, guys. What is changing means displaying is changes there. Same one like this previous one. When I value 2, how many times J iterating again? How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When I value is 3, how many times again here? Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When I value 4, how many times here again? Again same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When I value 5, how many times displaying? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's all. All of you, okay? Right. For this one, guys. For this one, let's make the program. Let's make the program for this one. Right. So this is what here pattern 6 pattern. So 7 guys here. Sorry, 7. Okay, pattern 7 guys. Okay. Our goal is making the n number of patterns. Let's make more number of patterns. Okay. Right. So input of enter n number of rows, and I'll take the eval, then take the n power. Now guys, tell me now, for I in range of, I'm taking same 1 comma n plus 1, that we know. Why n plus 1, all of you? N means what? 5. In this case, for example, if you take, we are considering the 5 always, okay? 5. So 5 plus 1, 6. 1 comma 6 means 5 will come. 1 to 5 means 1 to all of you. 1 n plus 1 means what? 6, right? 1 to 6 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first time I value 1, next 2, next 3, next 4, next 5. Okay, right. So in this case, for j in range of here also every time geometry I'm iterating 5 times, right? Number of j iterations fixed, guys. Okay, that's why we take what now? 1 comma n plus 1. 1 comma what? N plus 1. It's also every time 5 times. Okay. Then, so what I want to print here? What I want to print, all of you? What I want to print? See, guys, whenever I value 1, then geometry I'm separating now. Geometry I'm separating here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? See, 1 comma 6 means what? When I value 1 here, then how many times 1 to 6 means 1 to 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What I want now? I want same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Output also what I want now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means I want print which one? J value, because first time I value j. So first time j value 1, next j 2, next 3, next 4, next 5. So one for loop over. Next I value 2, again same 5 times. So like this, I take what here? J. Then I take the n equal to what here? Space. Then print of what here? This is the print. Okay. Let me take this one. Let's take the 5. See, guys, all of you. Okay, so in this case, suppose if any confusion is there, all of you guys, everybody's clear, or anyone has a little confusion? I'll explain, guys. Don't worry. When I value 1, j, how many is generating? 5 times. 5 times means but first time j value, I'm printing what? J. But first time j value 1. So 1 space is there. That's why 1 space. Means first j loop over. First j over. Second j value how much here? 2. 2 space. Second time j loop over. But third time j value out here 3. So 3 space, 4 space, 5 space. Means now when I value 1, all j iterations over. Next, when I value 2, again geometry I'm separating again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is fixed number of times, right? Again when I value 2, in second row, again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, guys. When I value 3, third iteration, guys. When I value 3, at that time also geometry is now fixed number of times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why again here 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's all. Next, when I value 4, how many separating now again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, same like this, guys. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, last one when I value 5. Again, 5 times, guys. That's all. So, all of you guys, let me know. Everybody's clear this one? All of you guys, let me know. Everybody's clear, right? This one. If you give any number, also, it gives a result as per that number, guys. I am giving the 10. So first line 1 to 10. Second line 1 to 10. Third line 1 to 10, like that. That numbering is playing, guys. All of you guys. Everybody's clear, right?